So, hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. And so, it's my second video. I'm looking like design page in Flutter. So, this my previous video on like doing login screen. So, today I'm gonna doing something like sign up and forgot password. So I'm gonna separate two. One is for, okay, maybe we can do two, right? So one is for sign up and second one is forgot password. So let's jump into a code. So, so the first thing, let's get a folder name. Let's create a folder name called pages. So we're gonna have two page, right? So one for sign up and the scope page like that. Okay. And the second one is forgot password dot dot page dot dot. Okay, so let's have a shortcut stf. Okay, and call the class name. So I'm gonna call it sign up page and import material. Okay, and let's have a page, right? So we're gonna have the first thing. Sorry, we're gonna have a scaffold. We don't need a material anymore because we already have a root file here. Okay, so we're gonna have a scaffold, and the scaffold should have body, right? Body should have maybe I call it get body. Okay, and create a function. Let's have a widget tab and function name, and let's return it first. So we're gonna return something with return self area. And okay, I'm gonna return center to see what happened for the first time when we output it. Hello. Okay, maybe sign up. Okay. Okay. So let's push when we click into don't have an account, and then we push to this page, right? So we go to the main file, main.dat, and then when we click on the sign up, so don't have account should be around this, right? So by default I have something like this part. Okay, and then when I have this, I just wrap with the, you can have like a gesture detect, but I do something with the inware. So I add clickable, and then I call the function on tape. Okay, and then so we can do a function go to sign up. Okay, okay, and then call it here. Just call it. After you call it, you can maybe try something like sign up, maybe, to see what happened in the back console. So when we click into it, so we're gonna see sign up. Click, you see sign up, right? And then you can do the push code, right? So push, we're gonna call navigate dot push. Okay, push require contact and route. So the route should be material route. Okay, material route require one, right? So should be contact. Okay, contact with your class name. So my class should be sign up. So when you click on it, you can control space and then call it sign up. Okay, just stop it. So it's gonna import automatically in your code. After that, Yeah, after you click on it, it should be fine. And when you click into it, I think we have it, right? So we have the sign up page. So right now we're gonna focus on the sign up page. Sign up should have the same thing like title. Yeah, we should have like a title, heading, title. Yeah, so I'm gonna have one thing. So one for column. Okay, one's for column. Okay, let's just have a column. Okay, column. Okay, column should have a children. So the first we should add arrow back icon, right? So I'm gonna call it like maybe icon dot arrow back icon is. Yeah, you have it, right? So you have it. After you have it, so you can add it. Okay, I add the same thing, add in where. Okay, add in where. So in where should have a function. So the function we should, when we click into it, so okay, let's have it first back page. Okay, so when we click it, it should go to the main page login screen, right? So we can do, now we get the dot pop and pass the contact. That's it. So when we click into it, it remove the page, right? So yeah, we have it. And then we're gonna have something, maybe I add heading here, so you guys gonna see it clearly. Yeah, so I add only left 20. Yep, and then top 20. Okay, maybe not 20, it should be 10. Yeah, so yeah, so 15. Yeah, that is the thing. And the second should be I add another column. Okay, so the column should have first thing title. So I'm gonna grab this. Okay, I'm gonna grab this and I put it as a title. Okay, here we have it. And then so the primary, you just put something like this and import it. Okay, you have it, right? And you can do padding. Actually, you can do padding, and the same thing, padding should be 30, right? Padding 30, and I missed some part. Okay, let's have something like this first. Okay, I think I missed one property call class and call it as the start. Okay, and there we have it. And after that, I put padding. Yep, I put 30. Too much, so it only, so we have left 30, right 30. That's it. Okay, and then we're gonna change it to sign up. So here you have it. And then I put the same thing, cross should be from start, so it push the border to the left. After you have it, so you can declare two function. So I'm gonna grab from my code, email, password. You can do the same. You can grab it, right? Okay. You can grab the code and pass it here. Okay. Container. And then we have to declare the controller, right? Controller, I call it from this final edit, tag edit, call it controller email, and new tag edit. Okay, so we're gonna have three, one for email, one for password, and one for full name. So we're gonna have three. Okay, so there we have it. After that, we're gonna have sign up, right? After I sign up, you can put the same thing. So I'm gonna grab my password and I just need only a full name. Okay, sign up. Okay, so sign up. Okay, we have one variable, call it true. By default is small. Yeah, so I think we have it, right? Okay, so we have the password, show hi, and last thing is the full name. Okay, full name. Okay, and don't forget to add side box. Actually, yes, side box. So you're gonna have it. You can tap it, and your controller should be full name. Okay, and the last thing, last but not least, full name. One button, right? So button should be the same. So I'm gonna grab my button from login screen. Okay, I'm gonna call it sidebox set3 and high set3, and I'm gonna call it maybe done. Okay, so there you have it. There you have the sign up screen. Should be the same, right? So sign up, you can sign up, and after you sign up, maybe you just put something like maybe, okay, you can do format document and then sign up. Okay, so I put sign up here, that function, and maybe you can grab the whole text, email, password, and full name, right? So how can you get it? So you just need email from our controller, email controller.text, right? And the same thing here. password. Full name. Okay, so there you have it. So after that, you can just push your value to the API, or you can insert it, right? So I can do something like maybe email or password. You can do something like this, and full name. Okay, you can do just only the line, and you can concate the string. So you can do something like this, and password 12345, and you can see it. My full name. Okay, after you click down, you're gonna see the whole thing, right? You're gonna see the whole thing. Okay, so after that, you can push your value into the API. So yeah, so I hope you got what I mean. So the next video, I'm gonna start with the forgot password. After that, maybe you can try with some API process. Yeah, okay, that's it, and thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have some feedback so I can improve my Flutter. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye.